So this week on Van Life with Rita, as you can see, I'm not driving and I'm doing some filming today because got a special guest. It is. It's the wife.
Hi.
Hi. And we're going to a campsite tonight, just Catherine and I and the dogs. It's about 3 hours from home. So I'll tell you all about it when we get there and show you around. Cheers, dear. Right, here we are, right turn into here. No idea where we're going. Welcome to Crystal Lakes.
Oh shit.
Beep, beep, beep. Well, I saw a VW over that way, so maybe it's over there.
Hello.
Hello, you're right.
What have you booked on as?
A camper van.
Okay, hard standing with electric.
Hard standing with electrical hookup.
Come with me.
Thank you. Awesome.
Do you know how to plug in and everything else?
Yeah, all good.
Right, toilet box over there.
Yeah,
Right, go and play.
awesome. Thank you, mate. Probably because of the registration. I've booked in the registration already. I would say go on the end one. No, it's on the hard standing.
No, I'm seeing. I wonder what he's doing.
Oh, you might have just booked a grass pitch.
Next
Yeah.
one.
No, yeah, that next one. Do you reckon? Yeah, you will. Do you want me to get out and see you back, or? I would be over that way as far as possible. Like way more, yeah. Right, we're here. Successfully managed to park up. This is the hard standing. The awning's going to come out there. We good to do, isn't it? What's the plan? So we're just having a little explore at the moment around the little fishing lake. There's a few little fishing spots if you want to go there. It looks a bit creepy if I'm honest, especially a bit tonight. The dogs seem to be enjoy sniffing around. Doesn't look too busy, but it seems there's like people that permanently stay here. There's some absolute massive wagons here. All looks good at the moment. We'll have continue exploring. Rockwood ultralight. I don't think it's light at all.
How you not control them, can't you?
Yeah, it's on the fifth wheel, isn't it? So where are they going? Do you reckon? So we've got these things that will hopefully keep you. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Levi has a little bit of anxiety, don't you? There's Elvis. And he's a poo machine. Levi. Good boy. So, tables out, chairs out, hookup done, awning out, dogs hooked up. What next? Tidy the mess up. Right, I'll get the pop top up, yeah? So the predicament at the moment is whether we put the sun block up thing, the wind shade. So it's a what? It's a windbreak. So, but yeah, we use it to so our dogs can't see other people and go off and seem aggressive. But as you can see, they're not aggressive. It's whether we do. I think that's the answer. They're barking. I think that's the answer. So this is Catherine's job, making it look nice. Put some lights on. We're all on hookup now. We've just what is it called? A windbreak. It's a windbreak. We have put it out now. Yeah, to stop the dogs seeing anyone or anything or the dog over there. So hopefully that will work. Right, now time for a beer. So I don't know why I always sit down in here considering I can't stand all the way up, but I need a drink. Some juice. Catherine's going to have a cider and a can of cocoa. And I'm just going to hydrate. Or I might have a little chocolate bar as well.
Oh, I might have a steak for you.
Awnings out. Got a beer, got a steak bake. Do you like the lime? Cheers, dear. So we did buy this today from, where did we get it from? Janelle. I don't know. We said we was going to get a rug for a little while, and this seemed to fit okay. The dimensions is 5 by 3, but this is just under that. But adds another layer of insulation, and the dogs will at some point eventually lie on it, and when the heater's on as well. So we are all set up, good to go, having a couple of beers, and we're going to take a little walk over to the toilets and into the shop, if there is a shop. Don't think there's a shop, but they do Deliveroo. Do Deliveroo. Have some beers and do absolutely nothing for a few hours, and then probably take the dogs later for a little walk or something, and go and explore what's about, and then maybe either get a Deliveroo or nothing. I don't know. Oh, maybe that's not a bad idea, actually. Right, let's see this heater. I think most camper vans have the heaters, and this one is behind the driver's seat and seems to be warming up. Did have an issue with it a couple of weeks ago where it wasn't warming up, and then went back down to EG Motors conversion company, and they sorted out the heater, and it seems to, yeah, nice and warm. And then obviously got the Savvy van set up with everything on. We don't need the lights on. I like that picture.
Yeah, it's really nice.
This is a picture of Catherine. Right,
What are we doing?
we're just doing a little interview.
Like them old people.
What old people? You have a chat with the camera then.
What?
You have a chat with the camera.
Well, what about?
Anything you want.
Would you not want to take my glass in? Yes, if you put half wine and half water in, please. Why is this recording? That's far too much. You'll have to bring the water out with you.
Well, it's half of the glass.
No, it's not. This is going to cause us problems.
That is half wine.
No, it isn't. That is nearly full glass. Yeah, he's setting up camp.
That's fine.
Well, it's not, because look at these two.
Ready?
What are we doing?
We're just doing a Q&A.
About what?
About like this. So we're at Crystal Lakes campsite down in Huntingdon, and we've travelled a few hours to get here. What's your first thoughts?
It's cold.
Interesting insight. The toilets are fine, by the way. We've just seen the toilets, and the showers look nice as well. And you don't have to pay any more for the showers here, whereas some campsites you do. Toilets seem clean enough. But the problem is, when you go, the dogs are going to go mad, aren't they?
Yeah, you'll have to walk over with me.
What?
You'll have to come over with the dogs on the lead when I go to the toilet.
Okay. This is the second time Catherine and I have been out actually in the van together. So, are you enjoying it?
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
What do you mean, just us two?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Yeah, good crack.
See? Is there anything you would change about the van? Is there anything you want to buy for the van?
Yes, I would love one of those Van Gogh 3 awnings, whatever they're called.
Cove Air 3, the ones that we saw down at Birmingham NEC. Yeah, looks really good. So Van Gogh Cove Air 3 next year.
Yes, for the summer.
For the summer. And where are we going next year?
Apparently Switzerland via France.
Via France?
I want to go to France for a week.
We get 20 days holiday.
Well, I know, but you can go 5 days as holiday, and then it's 10, including the weekends, isn't it?
What?
9 days.
9 days holiday, France and Switzerland.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to go to Switzerland. Like, I really would like to go to Canada, but you can't drive there. Switzerland is the next best thing. That's my bucket list.
Well, it depends, because if you want to go when it's snowy, I don't want to go to France in the winter, so we'll have to have 2 holidays.
I don't want to go when it's snowy.
Oh, I thought that was the whole effect for the mountains.
No, I just want to go. Life in Lenny. That's the channel that are out there. Anything else to add?
What about?
What? No, about anything. That's a wrap.
No, I know. I can't wait to put my new fleece pyjamas on.
Yeah, so Catherine's got new fleece pyjamas. We've got 4 new pillows. We've got a new rug.
A new fleece blanket.
A new fleece blanket.
So now we've got 10 fleece blankets.
So now we got 10 fleece blankets, and yeah, it's certainly going to be cosy, and the heater's working, so it could be Redders.
Well, I was going to bring my hot water bottle, but I decided against it.
You wasn't.
It is, it's left in the house.
Was you going to bring it? Like, seriously?
I actually forgot it.
Oh, okay, nice. Right, so that was it. That was Q&A with Catherine. Got anything else to add?
No.
Brilliant. So we're a few beers in, a few wines in, and we're taking the dogs for a little walk just to knacker them out a little bit because they, well, Levi's a little bit anxious, doesn't know what's going on. It's only, I think, the third time out in the van. So we're just taking them out for a little walk, a little explore. You can see the up. You can see the little fishing spots that I probably wouldn't want to stand on, certainly not fish on, but there they are. What's up? No dogs beyond this point. Should we walk out round the front? Come on, boys. Come on, boys. So yeah, there's our van over there. Lake just here. Electrical hookup points across there. Looks like there's some permanent stays here as well. Nice shower block facilities and toilets over there. This is the little fishing lake. So we're going to have a look around the front. Catherine and the boys are just running around at the moment. Like I say, we're just trying to shatter them out so they actually chill out a little bit. But we'll go and have a look around the front. See what's round there. Little oh, Levi, man. Little shop there. Don't know when it opens. Levi. That's where the toilets are. What did you think of the toilets, darling? Blue roll. What, as in Kim wipe?
No, like,
So the plan now is to put the chairs away. We're going to be inside the van. The heater's going to be on. I'm going to probably get a Just Eat order. Catherine's sorting out the dogs there. We're going to, yeah, right. So shall I stick the chairs away? And the table. So yeah, plan is also to stick the awning away because it's going to be windy tonight. We've got the dog bed and everything in there at the moment. We'll sort that out. Catherine is just taking the dogs for a walk, and I think we're going to take this down as well. Just in effect, like it's packing up for the night. But so we're going to put the table up in there, and then I'm going to order something, and we're going to chill, and we're going to play a game. We've got this game here. It's called something like Bananagrams. I think it's something like Scrabble, but I actually have no idea, and I'll probably be awful at it. But yeah, this is what it's all about, isn't it? So it's an absolute mess at the moment, but in just a few minutes it will be fine, because remember, everything has to have its place. It has to. So anyway, I need to get on with the tables and chairs, and then I'll come back in a mo. Instead of actually putting them away in the back, because obviously we need to get the bed down tonight, what I've actually done, which I think this is quite an ingenious idea, which you probably all do anyway, I've put them under the van, because it's not going to rain tonight anyway, so it's just going to be windy, and that's the only reason why we're taking everything down, like the awning and the wind shade. So it doesn't really matter that they're under the van. I think that's a really good idea. I'll probably do that in the future again. Catherine's going to be like, told you to do that anyway. Guarantee you. Set wine, and then that will do. Whoa! Now. Oh. And then, see it, that's that one in. And then, oh, that diesel heater is good. Right, I think we're G to G. What's the matter? What's the matter? Right, so this is easy now, isn't it? So this is easy. Nice. Like so, slightly open. Yeah, I'll do them. There we go. ukcustomcovers.com. Still confuses me why that's upside down. Who put it on the wrong way? No, it can't. This is, yeah. Right, that's not, can't. We are sorted. What next, beautiful? So what, we're going to try and stick the table up while this goes in. Yeah, you're going to break your nail doing that. And that should, that's it, yeah. Just locks in. Ah, that's it. Maybe that was the secret.
Well, that's why you probably said it was unsteady, but you didn't do that.
Oh, that's exactly. Guarantee you that. Then it just slips on top, I believe. Hey. Oh, that's good. Right, so that's the key then. The twisting. Right. Yeah, that table's all right, that, isn't it?
Well, it is. I think it's obviously you didn't.
No, I definitely didn't do that. Definitely, 100%. So the awning is all down, and this is our little setup for the evening. The boys are just having their collars took off. Elvis is laying there. He's allowed on the seats because he's got the cushions on. We've got some tunes going on, which is probably going to be copyrighted actually. So this is the setup for the evening. The awning is down, the windbreak is down, the boys are in their beds, Elvis is on the seat, Catherine's got a wine, I've got my Desperados. We're going to play, what is it? Bananarama in a minute. I'm going to probably order some food, but this is it. You happy? You're going to get your jammies on. Hi, Levi. Yeah. And Elvis is happy. And they'll probably fall asleep now as well. Right, we're going to try and play this game called Bananagrams. And we kind of get the instructions. So if you ever played it before, I think we need to equally share these out and have a load left in 21 each. What, turn them all over?
I think you have to like do your Scrabble board.
Oh, you can put one back and you get 3 more. Right, I am 1 word in. I'm doing all right. You're not winning. I've only got these left. So that's me and the wife all done at Crystal Lakes, and I think Catherine would agree it needs a little bit of upkeep. It's different from the pictures, that's for sure. I'll put the link down in the description below for the actual campsite and the link and where you can book it if you want. I mean, it served its purpose. It was electrical hookup, it was hard standing. Fishing, I probably wouldn't want to sit on any of those things that you saw earlier on in the video. I'd be worried I'd be falling in. All in all, out of 10, what would you give it out of 10, darling? 5? Yeah, I think that's I think for one of the first times ever, I'll agree with you actually. Maybe a 4.65. But yeah, I'll leave a review, but I went into the toilets this morning, I smelt a bit of wee. It didn't say that they cleaned them at any point. It was completely blank. I don't know. It is what it is. For £25 a night. Sometimes when me and the lads go up north, we pay that just to stay in a field. So it is what it is. So that was Crystal Lakes down in Huntingdon. On our way back now, back home. Catherine is... Show me your pyjamas. Catherine's still in her pyjamas. That's it. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.